It is quite sad about what happened to BNB Tiger Inu after the community has trusted these developers too much and believed so much in this project, but along the way, due to greediness, these guys betrayed the community. But somehow, after they betrayed the community, they still decided to actually launch a new BNB Tiger Inu. BNB Tiger is back again with a new token, and some people are already hyping it as the next big thing. But before you rush to invest in it, there are some serious red flags you need to know. In this video, I will break down why the new BNB Tiger might not be a smart investment for you. And although they have started gaining confidence of some people, some people are actually buying into this new token. But for the sake of my viewers or those people that will come across this video, I want to show us some red flags about this new BNB Tiger Inu. So before you invest your money into it, you might understand the kind of risk you are taking. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell so you will get notified when we post our next video. Let us first check some red flags about the contract of this new BNB Tiger Inu. Here on Token Sniper, this contract was audited and it's called just 60 all over 100. Let's check the reason why new BNB Tiger Inu actually got 60 over 100 here on Token Sniper. Concerning the swap analysis, they said token is sellable, not a honeypot at this time. That one is tick as green. And the second one, the buy fee is less than 5%. No, this one is not tick. The buy fee is actually 6.99%. That is almost 7%. And they made a comment here, they said, this token has a high buy fee. And second one here, sell fee also is less than 5%. No, the sell fee is 7%. The same comment here, this token has a high sell fee. And here they said, excessive fees are often sold, which can negatively affect the token's price. And concerning the contract analysis, the contract has a verified contract source, ownership renounced, or source does not contain an owner contract. And the next one here, creator not authorized for special permission. So for a fact, the contract ownership of new BNB Tiger Inu has been renounced. Then for the holders analysis, they said here, tokens bond 41.34%, circulating supply is 586 trillion, and tokens locked is 10%. Next one here, creator wallet contains less than 5% of circulating token supply. That is fine also. The next one here, all other holders possess less than 5% of circulating token supply. This one is not ticked. And here is the comment. A wallet contains a substantial amount of tokens which could have a large impact on the token price if sold. Do you get that, guys? So a wallet actually contains a substantial amount of tokens, and this can largely impact the price of this coin if that wallet owner decides to sell the coin. Top 10 token holders possess less than 70% of circulating token supply. They actually have 19.58%. And for the liquidity analysis, adequate current liquidity, they have $102 in PancakeSwap version 3 and 0.01 BNB in PancakeSwap version 3, and they have 660 BNB in PancakeSwap version 2. That is good. And for the last one here, at least 95% of largest pools liquidity bond or locked for 15 days or longer. That is also tick. So the major reasons why new BNB Tiger Inu has 60 over 100 on Token Sniper is because of buy fee, it is high, sell fee, it is high, and all other orders that contains more than 5% also, that is also a red flag. As you and I know that BNB Tiger started as a meme coin that grabbed massive attention of a whole lot of people, it has a very loyal community, crazy bonds and impressive transaction volumes. But along the line, price crashed. The big players took profit and a lot of small investors were left holding the bags. Now that the team has decided to launch a new version of BNB Tiger, promising better tokenomics and a stronger ecosystem. But here is the truth. History might be repeating itself. The first red flag that you might want to consider before you invest in this new BNB Tiger is that community confidence is too low. These guys have lost the confidence of the whole community with what they did with the whole BNB Tiger. A lot of people actually felt betrayed and abandoned after the price came down massively, and with this new BNB Tiger now, the same team is asking people to trust them again. But trust is not something you just rebuild overnight, especially in crypto, where reputation is everything. And the second red flag that you might want to consider before you start investing in this new BNB Tiger Inu is that there is no real utility. This new one just rely heavily on marketing promises, and community itself does not believe in this new BNB Tiger Inu. There is no solid products, no exchange utility, and no clear reward use case for this new BNB Tiger Inu. Without all these important factors, it is very hard for us to see why this coin will sustain this momentum for a long time. Alright guys, I have successfully succeeded in showing you different reasons why new BNB Tiger Inu might not be a good investment for you to consider. This video is not a financial advice, it's just for entertainment purpose and education purpose only. Always do your own research before you invest $1 into any coin. Thanks for watching guys. And what do you think about new BNB Tiger Inu? Kindly drop your opinion under the comment section of this video. And if you'd like to join my inner circle called Crypto Vault and Lifetime Mentorship, where we focus on buying low caps and tiny coins before they start going parabolic in prices, and we are making cool money from it, just chat me up on WhatsApp or Telegram. The link to my WhatsApp and Telegram are in the description below. Thanks for watching guys, and let us meet in my next video.